Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. In this video I will show you how to rename files sequentially in Windows. Let's see how to do this. You don't need to download any programs to perform a batch file rename. Open the folder in which you want to rename the files. Select all the files you want to rename using Ctrl+A from keyboard. Right-click the first one in the list, select Rename, or you can use F2 from keyboard. Then type in the name. If you hit Enter, then automatically it will change all the other files with the same root name with a suffix 1, 2 and so on. That is how you can rename files sequentially in Windows. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.